and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a special Maharashtrian chivda which is made from puffed rice or murmura and is popularly known as bhadang in Marathi. This is a very simple recipe. It is a very light tea time snack that I am sure you will enjoy eating. So first let us start with the ingredients. Puffed rice or murmura 4 cups, raw peanuts half cup, cooking oil 4 tablespoons. Here I am using olive oil. For snacks that normally require a greater quantity of oil, I try to use the healthier oil which is olive oil, but you can use any other cooking oil as well. Salt by taste, sugar 2 teaspoons, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, special Maharashtrian spice called metkut 1 teaspoon, but in this recipe it is optional to use. Finely chopped curry leaves about 10, hing or asafoetida half teaspoon, mustard seeds 1.5 teaspoons, turmeric powder half teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Many times puffed rice loses its crunchiness when it is stored for a long time, and for this reason we are first going to make this a little more crunchy. You can either dry roast it on a stove on a medium flame, or you can warm it up in a microwave for a few minutes. Here I put them in a microwave for about 2 minutes, so now they are nicely crunchy again. Of the 4 tablespoons of oil that we are going to use in all, right now I am using only 2 tablespoons to mix all the spices. Cumin powder, coriander powder, this special Maharashtrian spice called metkut, which is however optional to use, red chili powder about 1 teaspoon or by your taste, and also salt according to your taste, and sugar. Mix everything nicely. Now add this mixture of oil and spices to the warmed up murmura. Now mix everything nicely so that all the murmura are nicely coated with the spices, and keep them aside for a while. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When they start spluttering, add asafoetida or hing, turmeric powder, chopped curry leaves and raw peanuts. Now we are going to stir fry these peanuts on medium flame to make them crunchy. You will know that they are done when they become slightly darker in color and their peel starts cracking up. After about 2 minutes of stir frying in this way, the peanuts look done, so I am going to turn off the gas. Now add this seasoning to the puffed rice and mix everything nicely. Now allow this chivda to cool completely and then store in an airtight container so that the crunchiness is retained. Enjoy this yummy chivda at tea time. Don't forget to post your questions or comments, and for details please visit my website at uma.kitchen. Thank you.